Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 classic vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, here we go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get things started here. Here we have a 1979 Pontiac Firebird, listed for $11,500 US in Estero, Florida. It is listed in used good condition, and from the seller's description. 1979 Pontiac Firebird, 3.8 liter, runs and drives good, 80,000 miles. Everything works as it should, title in hand. Okay, this one is the first of two Dodge Dart Swingers. This one is a 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, listed for $11,000 US in Denton, Maryland. It's been driven 49,500 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description. 73 Dodge Dart Swinger, 340 motor, auto trans, runs and drives, needs some restoration. This one looks pretty clean. 1974 Jeep CJ5, listed for $12,000 US in Kent, Washington. It's been driven 80,000 miles, has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description. Get ready for off-road adventures with this classic 1974 Jeep CJ5 304 V8 3-speed. Includes a full top, full and half doors, and a bikini top. BDS 2.5-inch lift kit, new exhaust system with a satisfying rumble, speed hut gauges. Historic plates included. Series buyers only. Alrighty, here we have a 1959 Ford Meteor, listed for $12,000 Canadian in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, mileage maker 6, 223 cubic inch engine, 4-speed manual shift, 4-door Continental bumper kit, new 14-inch white wall tires, tow hitch, approximately 95% restored by owner, two-tone green, car tarps included, must sell. Alright, here's that second Dodge Dart Swinger, a 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger, listed for $12,500 US in Corona, California. It's been driven 51,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger B5 blue 2-door hardtop, slant 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, rally wheels, Cooper Cobra tires, original California car. Floors and trunk are solid, runs and looks great. $12,500 cash, no trades, serious buyers only, please. Okay, here we have a 1964 Ford Econoline pickup, listed for $10,530 US in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It is listed in used good condition, and from the seller's description, solid 1964 truck, inline 6-cylinder motor. I was hoping to restore, but I just don't have the time. Runs and drives, needs a personal touch, not a show truck, but could be, used as a daily driver. Alright, this thing is gorgeous, but the price might be a little bit high. 1969 MG Midget, listed for $12,500 Canadian in Nanaimo District, British Columbia. It's been driven 66,300 kilometers, has a manual transmission, engine size is 1.3 liter, horsepower 65. From the seller's description, Mabel the MG Midget is ready for spring-summer motoring. She runs great and is a head turner wherever she goes. Fresh paint and mechanical refresh last year. Interior in excellent condition. New oil, oil filter, air filters, hydraulic master cylinders, clutch slave, handbrake cable, timing chain, starter motor and solenoid, ground cable, and much more. Currently registered with collector plates. Alright, here we have a 1962 Rambler American Deluxe, listed for $10,500 US in Wichita Falls, Texas. It's been driven 85,717 miles, has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, short and sweet. Flathead 6, has the factory rims and hubcaps. And here we have a 1964 Pontiac Parisienne, listed for $14,500 Canadian in Kootenay Boundary, British Columbia. It is listed in used fair condition and from the seller's description. 1964 Pontiac Parisienne Sport 283 with 2-speed power glide, $14,500 or best offer. Any reasonable offer will be considered. Alright, my regular viewers will know I like to slip in the odd kit car here. Here we have a 1970 Volkswagen Cimbria kit car, listed for $7,000 US in Hudsonville, Michigan. It has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, Cimbria VW kit car, cousin to the Sterling. Body is in great condition. Windshield, side windows, rear window, and tunnel are all glass and in great shape. Krager wheels, driven into my garage 4 years ago, then prepped for storage. Will need going over, but wouldn't take much to get running again. Interior in great shape. Clear title in hand, $7,000 or best offer.
Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Fix 'em Up Friday, which will go live every Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.